Welcome to Dalma Makes. This is the third video in a series of 6 where I show you how I made these candle jars from a soy wax candle making kit. I really like the shape of the jars, but I wanted to decorate them to fit my aesthetic. Prepare the surface to receive whatever I'm going to do with it. I need to give it a vigorous sanding as it's quite a sleek surface. And for this particular jar, my idea was to stick all of these sequins to it one by one to make a very interesting surface texture. This took forever, but it was rather satisfying. Losing a bit of steam. This actually took me like an hour and a half in real life. To finish it, I'm going to add some lace trim to the bottom, just to add another element of interest. And for that, I'm using hot glue. Previously, to stick down the sequins, I used Glossy Accents. It's a synthetic resin substance. Now with the surface texture done, it's time for painting. I'm base coating it in a dark green acrylic paint, and I'm going to do a couple of layers of this until it's completely opaque and covering everything. After a couple of coats and some drying time, it looks nice and matte. I'm going to do that lace trim part with some yellow to offer some visual contrast. And then I'm going to go over everything with an olive green. And I'm using my finger instead of a brush, once again, to only touch the raised textures and keep the dark green in the dark recesses. And I think that looks really cool. But of course, this project wouldn't be complete without a little bit of gold paint, and I use it quite generously because my idea was to kind of make it look like a dragon egg. And I think I succeeded. Of course, the sequins weren't placed perfectly, but it does look a little bit like scales. After the container was finished, I followed the instructions in the kit and filled the jars and let them set for a few hours. I made all custom colors and scents, each to match with the exterior. And there's a sneak peek at all the other ones in the series. And there's 6 of them in total, and this is the 3rd. And here we are with my cute little dragon egg candle jar. It smells like sandalwood and citrus. It's also a very nice tactile experience. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite from the series so far. I would like to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching. I hope you're having a nice day. Bye.